Hey guys, so today we are going to learn about the trigger order in OKX. Now let's make our monitor bigger. Alright, now for example, we want to buy Bitcoin. If the price of Bitcoin would go out of this box or would break out from this box, okay, so let's say we will place our buy order right here. Okay, so how are we going to do that? All you need to do is just to click here, TP and SL, and then check trigger. Okay, now for trigger order, you can place your order above the current price, or you can also place your order below the current price. So let's say we want to buy Bitcoin at 69254.4. All right, now let's choose the market tab here and let's say $100. What it means is if the price would go to 69.254.4, whatever the price of the market, it will automatically trigger and it will allow us to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, now let's click this one. There you go. So as you can see, the trigger order has been created. Now let's say, sir, what if we want to put multiple orders here on top? Is it possible? Okay, so let's try it again. Let's say we want to add more orders here and here. All right. So let's say we want to buy 7338.5. Okay. Let's say we want to buy another $100 for that. Okay, let's do that one. So you created another order above the current price. Then let's create another one, 71451.8. Okay. Let's say we will add another $100. So there you go, guys. You can add multiple orders by the help of this trigger order here. Okay. Now, a good purpose for this one is, for example, you're busy or you're doing other stuff and you don't have much time to trade every day, then you can just add your orders in advance. And if Bitcoin would continue to rally, then there's no doubt that your orders will be processed too. All right. So those are what we call trigger orders. It is a very powerful tool that will allow you to add multiple orders on top or even at the bottom. All right, so those are some of the few tips that I could give you here in OKX. See you again next time. Have a great day. Peace out.